Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications to stay updated with our latest videos. Today, we are diving into the world of vidIQ AI, a powerful tool designed to help YouTubers grow their channels effortlessly. Whether you are a content creator looking for fresh video ideas, optimizing your SEO, or crafting eye-catching thumbnails, this tool has something for everyone. So let's jump right into it. Once you open the website, you'll be greeted with a clean and user-friendly interface. To start, click Skip for Now. You'll see a few simple questions about how you plan to use the app. Just answer them honestly to personalize your experience. After that, you'll come across the available plans. Don't worry, we are going with the free version for now to explore what it offers without spending a penny. Now, as you can see, the dashboard is packed with options like generate a video idea, growth plan progress on the right, keyword search tools, and much more. The full potential of the app unlocks when you connect your socials, but for now, let's just explore one of its standout features. Let's start by generating a video idea. I'll type in how to ace writing competitions, for example, and it takes us to a new tab where we re-enter the prompt and hit generate. You can see within seconds it provides us with a fantastic video title, Winning Writing Competitions Made Easy on the left topmost side. Alongside this, it also suggests top keywords like how to write a book, writing, and essay writing, which you can use as hashtags to boost your engagement. These are all hashtags which are generally used in these kinds of videos, and that is why this tool has suggested us these words. Scrolling down, you'll see even more helpful options, a refined title suggestion which you can further refine as per your needs, a video description that's ready to use, and additional tags. 2 auto-generated thumbnails, and even a hook line to grab your audience attention. And the best part, it gives you an entire video outline with timestamps from the introduction to the call to action. Now, if you're on a pro plan, you can generate a full-fledged script directly from this tool. But here's a pro tip. Just copy-paste this outline into a tool such as ChatGPT to get your full script for free. Easy peasy, right? Now, let's take a closer look at the thumbnails. The first one isn't so perfect, but don't worry, you can edit it. Just change the photo, text, or the overall design in general to fit according to your style. No worries for the thumbnail, we'll see it later. It's so intuitive and saves tons of time. And that's it for generating a video idea and its related content. Super straightforward and highly efficient. Now, let's try creating a thumbnail for a video. You can either upload your video or type in the title. For example, I have entered Winning Case Dex. And look at that. vidIQ has generated several drafts from the prompt that I have given. Let's pick one and edit it. Also, editing is as simple as typing what you want. For example, I'll change create a winner text to Winning Case Dex in minutes. And that I do not have to do it. I just have to give the prompt and let the tool do the magic. And you can see there it is done in seconds. Let's take it up a notch and add a glow effect to the text. You can do anything you want. So let's type in and oh my god, look at it. Super cool. It's updated with a glow effect and it has even changed the background image to match it. Honestly, this looks so fantastic. Next, let's explore the keyword search. Here you can search for any word and it gives you a stats about that word. For example, I'll type in football and look at the detailed insights. search volume, competition score, and related keywords. You can even see the trending videos with this keyword to help you craft content that resonates with your viewers. Take your time and have a close look at each and every thing which is provided by this tool by searching just football. Now, let's see what's trending this week, this month, and even today. Just go back to the main page from where you have searched the keyword, and on the right side you can see 3 options. Click on them and you'll see the top words hitting the bar. Note that the daily trends are a premium feature, but you can still access a wealth of information like keyword volume and popularity over time. Lastly, we have the outliers section. This feature helps you identify unique keywords and trending videos related to them. You can also manage your SEO and analyze competitors through that. And for that, you'll need to connect your YouTube channel. There are a lot of options available, just as I mentioned, to view your competitors, to manage your SEO, along with a lot of options. All you have to do is just connect your social media account, for example, your YouTube channel, and let the tool do the hard work for you. And to sum it up, vidIQ AI is an incredible tool that simplifies content creation, SEO, and engagement for YouTube creators. From generating video ideas and outlines to creating thumbnails and analyzing keywords, it's a one-stop solution to boost your channel's growth. So, what are you waiting for? Give it a try and take your content to the next level. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And of course, see you in the next video. Thank you.